Okay, I want to do a real quick case study. This is a new client, Rocky Mountain Krav Maga. They do Krav Maga and also CrossFit. And so what we did is the other day, I created in Retargeting Cloud, I created a targeting list building campaign. And you can see here Rocky Mountain's self-defense and fitness. I'm using Yellow Pages and Yelp. I went in here and requested the ad networks. Let me buy 10,000. My target audience is 10,000 folks. I'm at 2,500 right now. I've spent $7.57. I put a $40 budget on this. This is the URL that we're going to be that we put this in order to get audited. These are the websites. So you can see there's Yellow Pages, and you can see what I'm doing. There's CrossFit and there's Taekwondo. I am grabbing pretty much any of his competitors from Yellow Pages that I could find. I grab their URL, and so anybody that goes to Yellow Pages and lands on one of his competitors, that's what's going to make up these 10,000 unique visitors above. Okay, so let me walk through this a little bit more. So we're just using for this case study just Yellow Pages and Yelp. Okay, same thing with Yelp. Went in there and found the CrossFit Loop in Castle Rock here, and I'm also grabbing folks that go to his that are looking for him. But here's Balance Fitness and Rockstar Fitness and Max Fit and all of his competitors and anybody in this space. I've made the keywords really simple because I'm really looking for folks that are adding Castle Rock or Castle Pines or Larkspur or whatever to CrossFit or Krav Maga or that. I'm geo-targeting, so I only want people that are going to these places from Castle Rock. So there could be somebody going to these sites from New Jersey that's thinking on moving to Castle Rock and wants to know, okay, where's a CrossFit gym, or where can I continue Krav Maga, or where can I find great instruction or whatever. So we've now finally, made this a little bit time. But here's where the magic kind of happens, okay? All the above was for the ad networks. And here's where the magic starts. I took the client's Facebook pixel, this is his Facebook pixel, and dropped it in here, okay? So you can see that we had this thing cooking, and we had 2,573, so a little 2,500 folks. Now here's where it's interesting. Never trust the data, is what I always think, but it's all we have, and you got to use it. But these numbers won't always relate to things, because some people are using, ad blockers, so that pixel wouldn't have fired. Some people are using ad blockers on their browser, but the Facebook pixel still fires. Some folks aren't logged into Facebook. So as we take this over to Facebook, what we're able to do is you can see that the name I have right here is the name that it shows up as an event in the client's ad manager, okay? So what we do, I want to show you something here. Soon we'll turn this into a custom audience. And I just did that, which inspired me to actually get this. So we're going to look here is AdNexus is owned by AppNexus, and they're one of our biggest folks. So you're going to see 1,067 of that. Here's AdNexus. We'll keep on going down. AdNexus, as most people go to different, here's AdNexus, CR Castle Rock. But you're going to start seeing things like 9 News. These are places that people were either just before or after they went to those pages, okay, which makes sense. But you can see that he's not advertising on 9 News, and this is an event that comes in here. Well, as we go down here, we'll see more and more really cool pages that we grab traffic. Here's weather.com, here's CNN, because those are members of the AdNet. KDVR, that's a TV station here. Fox News, 9 Weather, the Denver Channel, Drudge Report. Those are all folks that we build networks with. MSN, etc. Answers.com. So the main thing is that we are building traffic for this client in the retargeting cloud, but we're over here in Facebook, and all we have to do to create this audience is actually, let me go in here. I just created it, so there's probably not much there, but let's go ahead and take a peek. Audiences. About 10 minutes ago, I converted this audience. So sometimes at Facebook it takes a little bit more time, but you saw that we had quite a few folks in the that were at least fired the Facebook pixel there. So, and again, sorry to make this long, but here this is. We got 1,100. You can't get a more targeted list. Facebook can't do it for you. You can't get a more targeted list of people that are interested in CrossFit, Krav Maga, martial arts than what I just showed you I was able to do. So I have 1,100 folks from Castle Rock that were landing on Yellow Pages and Yelp Pages and I can now start a campaign to these folks. Now, these are the numbers to his website, which aren't huge. And he's got all this other, but these are real people that are in market going there. You don't go to Yellow Pages or Yelp and search for CrossFit or Krav Maga or Jiu-Jitsu or any martial arts unless you have an interest in there. We can take this list and start having ads, Facebook ads go to them. We can also take this list and create it into a custom audience. All right, so pretty cool. The local hive at work, and I will follow up a little bit more with some other stuff and how this goes.